All right, so in your notes, just pick up wherever you left off. We are still working on Unit 6 right now. And I want you to label your notes inscribed angles. We have talked about these already. They showed up actually on your midterm review too, and I think there was one question about it on your midterm also. So, like I said, this should not be totally new information. But draw yourself a circle. Label the center of the circle, and we'll call it P. So we're talking circle P, and draw an angle, a central angle in the circle. And I want you to, let's just label this point A, label this point right here B, and let's name the central angle. Central angle, by the way, it is called, we have created a central angle because the vertex, or the corner of the angle, is at the what of the circle? The center of the circle. Center of the circle, therefore it's called a central angle. A central angle, we name it A, and then P, and then B. APB. Central angle, APB. You also could call it BPA. Same angle, okay? But what I would like you guys to do today is start talking about inscribed angles. Inscribed angle. I want you to put your pencil at A, and I want you to draw an angle so that the vertex sits on the circle rather than the center of the circle. So draw it all the way over here. I will call this point, let's call it point Q. And I want you to reconnect it to point B. So we have created two angles. One of them is a central angle because it's at the center of the circle. The other angle is an inscribed angle because its vertex sits on the rim of the circle. So we call that angle. Let me do this the right way. We call this angle AQB. Are you with me? Yeah. Angle AQB. Okay. Inscribed angles. Are half the measure of its intercepted arc. Inscribed angle, would you agree?
Yes.
APB in this case is an inscribed angle. How do you know it's an inscribed angle? Well, I could have a point in the middle. There's a point. Now I have a point.
Why?
Yes, in other words, the vertex. Now, it's not because it doesn't go to the center. It's because its vertex is where? On the edge of the circle. That vertex sits right on the circle. Therefore, it is an inscribed angle. And inscribed angles are half the measure of its intercepted arc. So let's say that you know that that inscribed angle is 30 degrees. Let's say it's 30 degrees. What is the measure then? What is the measure of arc AB? It is 60 degrees. Very nice. This angle is half the measure of the arc that it creates. So if this is half of it, we know the arc has to be
60.
double it. Okay?
Yep.
Let's add one more question to this. What is the measure of arc APB? First of all, you have to know this is an arc because I have the arc symbol above the APB. What is the measure of arc APB? just figured out that this is 60 degrees. So what is the rest of the circle?
How come it's not 30?
300.
Should be 300 degrees, yeah. And all you need to do is just take the whole circle, which is 360, minus the part we know, which is 60. You end up with 300 degrees.
So how come that's 60 up there but it's 30 down here?
Because the relationship that exists between this arc right here, the 60 degrees, and this angle right here is that inscribed angle is half of its arc, of its intercepted arc. And when I say intercepted, I just mean like if I extend the sides of this out to the circle, the arc that I create, this arc right here, is twice that angle. Or the angle is half the arc. Okay, so this inscribed angle right here, this is always the smaller of the two. Yes?
But then, like you just said, that the angle, like the angle of P is 300 degrees, right?
No. I said the measure of arc,
Oh.
APB. Arc is like the edge of the circle.
Okay.
Is 300 degrees. Okay?
300 degrees.
So what is a 30 and then 30 up there again?
It's never going to be a 30-degree inscribed angle and a 30-degree arc. If I had done this, you guys, if I draw this and if I go into the center of the circle like that, what is the measure of this angle?
60.
It is 60, because it's the same as that arc.
Okay.
But if I go to the edge of the circle, the rim of the circle, it is always half the arc.